strings, and scissors. And other designs. Before we throw the face mask, we need to take off the string.
Three, two, one.
We need to stitch each end. This is it!
Ready, go!
We need to stitch the flower design into the string.
Let's dance together all night. Wanna have fun? Well, shake your boo-boo, baby. Boom, boom, shake, shake. Now drop the drop.
For the bracelet, the same thing. We need to stitch each end. The next step, you need your mom to assist because the glue gun is hot. Hey, Mom! We have to put the beads on the strings.